Exposed, my unique strategy for passive income with faceless YouTube channels. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that's going to blow your mind. In this video, we're going to dive deep into a unique strategy for generating passive income using faceless YouTube channels. Yes, you heard it right. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a faceless YouTube channel? Well, it's a channel where the creator remains anonymous, never revealing their face or personal identity. Instead, they focus on delivering valuable content without being in front of the camera. It's a fascinating concept that has been gaining popularity in recent years. So why is this strategy important or interesting? Well, for starters, it allows you to tap into the immense potential of YouTube without having to show your face. This can be a game changer for those who are camera shy or prefer to maintain their privacy. Additionally, faceless YouTube channels have the potential to attract a wider audience, as viewers can focus solely on the content being presented. In this video, we'll be uncovering the secrets behind building and growing a successful faceless YouTube channel. We'll discuss the different types of content that work well for this approach, how to optimize your videos for maximum visibility, and most importantly, how to monetize your channel effectively. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to leverage faceless YouTube channels to generate passive income. Whether you're interested in AI, YouTube growth strategies, or simply looking for new ways to make money online, this video is for you. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it and expose the unique strategy for passive income with faceless YouTube channels. Let's get started! In the ever-evolving world of online content creation, finding innovative ways to generate passive income has become a hot topic. One such method that has gained traction in recent years is leveraging faceless YouTube channels. These channels, where the creator remains anonymous and never reveals their face or personal identity, have become a fascinating phenomenon in the digital landscape. The concept of faceless YouTube channels originated from the desire for privacy and the need to separate personal and professional lives. Creators realized that by removing their personal identity from their content, they could focus solely on delivering valuable and engaging videos without the distractions of personal branding. However, building and growing a successful faceless YouTube channel is not without its challenges. One of the main obstacles is establishing trust and credibility with the audience. Without a recognizable face or personal connection, creators must rely on other elements, such as high-quality content, unique perspectives, and engaging storytelling to captivate viewers and build a loyal following. Another challenge is optimizing the visibility and monetization of faceless YouTube channels. With the ever-increasing competition on the platform, creators need to employ effective YouTube growth strategies to stand out from the crowd. This includes understanding the YouTube algorithm, utilizing SEO techniques, and leveraging social media platforms to promote their content. However, the opportunities that come with faceless YouTube channels are immense. By remaining anonymous, creators have the freedom to explore a wide range of topics without being confined to a specific niche or personal brand. This allows for greater flexibility and creativity in content creation, attracting a diverse audience interested in various subjects. In this video, we will dive deep into the world of faceless YouTube channels and expose a unique strategy for generating passive income. We will discuss the challenges and opportunities associated with this approach and provide practical tips and insights for building and growing a successful faceless YouTube channel. Whether you're interested in AI, YouTube growth strategies, or monetization, this video is a perfect fit for you. So, let's get started and uncover the secrets behind this novel method of generating passive income with faceless YouTube channels. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel like I am doing right now. And you don't have to make videos to be successful on YouTube's platform. I have more information listed in the description below this video for those that may be interested. There is also a free webinar that goes into detail about the course. Okay, let's move on. Key points. 1. Faceless YouTube channels offer a unique opportunity to generate passive income without revealing your personal identity. This strategy allows you to focus solely on delivering valuable content to your audience. 2. The success of a faceless YouTube channel lies in creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your target audience. By providing valuable information, entertainment, or solving a problem, you can attract a loyal following and increase your chances of monetization. 3. SEO optimization is crucial for the visibility and growth of your Faceless YouTube channel. By conducting keyword research, optimizing titles, descriptions, and tags, and using relevant thumbnails, you can improve your chances of ranking higher in search results and attracting more viewers. 4. Monetization options for Faceless YouTube channels include ad revenue, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products or services. It's important to diversify your income streams and explore different opportunities to maximize your earnings. 5. Building trust and credibility with your audience is essential for long-term success. Engage with your viewers through comments, live streams, or social media, and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Authenticity and consistency are key to building a loyal community. 6. Case studies and real-life examples can provide valuable insights into the practical application of this unique strategy. By studying successful Faceless YouTube channels and understanding their growth strategies, you can adapt and implement similar tactics to achieve your own passive income goals. Remember, with dedication, creativity, and a solid understanding of your target audience, you can leverage Faceless YouTube channels to generate passive income and achieve your financial goals. Today, we're going to dive deeper into the topic of generating passive income through Faceless YouTube channels. While this strategy may seem unconventional, it has gained traction in recent years and offers a unique approach to monetizing your content. One aspect to consider is the power of anonymity. By remaining faceless, creators can focus solely on delivering valuable content without the distractions of personal branding or identity. This allows for a more immersive experience for viewers, as they can fully engage with the content without any preconceived notions or biases. However, it's important to acknowledge the potential challenges that come with this strategy. Building trust and credibility with your audience can be more difficult when you're not showing your face. It requires a strong emphasis on delivering high-quality content consistently and establishing a strong connection through your voice, storytelling, and expertise. Another perspective to consider is the potential impact of artificial intelligence, AI, on Faceless YouTube channels. With advancements in AI technology, creators can leverage tools like voice synthesis and deepfake technology to create realistic and engaging content without ever showing their face. This opens up new possibilities for content creation and audience engagement. It's also worth exploring the ethical implications of Faceless YouTube channels. Some argue that transparency and authenticity are crucial in building trust with your audience, and that hiding your identity may undermine that trust. On the other hand, proponents argue that the focus should be on the value of the content itself rather than the identity of the creator. As we delve deeper into this topic, I encourage you to think critically and consider the different perspectives and possibilities. What are your thoughts on Faceless YouTube channels? Do you believe they can be as successful as channels with a visible creator? Share your insights and experiences in the comments section below. Let's continue the discussion. In conclusion, we have explored a unique strategy for generating passive income through Faceless YouTube channels. By leveraging the power of anonymity, creators can focus on delivering valuable content without the distractions of personal branding or identity. This approach offers a range of benefits, including privacy, flexibility, and the ability to tap into a wider audience. Throughout this video, we discussed the challenges and opportunities associated with Faceless YouTube channels. We highlighted the importance of building trust and credibility with your audience, optimizing your videos for maximum visibility, and exploring different monetization options such as ad revenue, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. The key takeaway from this video is that Faceless YouTube channels provide a novel and effective way to generate passive income. By focusing on delivering high-quality content and engaging with your audience, you can build a loyal following and monetize your channel effectively. I encourage you to take action and apply the strategies discussed in this video. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest tips and strategies for growing your YouTube channel and generating passive income. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. You can even stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you, as we have over 75 to choose from. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.